Imagine yourself in the Chevrolet 2018 Suburban LT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are enhanced driver alert package, premium smooth ride suspension package, 9 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, Bose premium audio system feature, CD player, floor console with storage area, HD radio and radio, Chevrolet MyLink AM/FM stereo. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.